Good morning everyone. Welcome to Tiny Kitchen, Big Flavor. Don't mind all of this. I brought you in to show you this. I am making myself some cranberry juice. All I have here is a big bag of cranberries that I washed thoroughly with water, filter water. And I put all of this in it. I'll probably end up adding more. And all I have in here is, like you see, some orange peel and ginger. Not a whole lot, but just enough. And all I'm doing is I'm gonna let it simmer. And once it's cooked all the way, then I'll bring you and show you the next step, what I do with it. All right, guys, so I finished heating up my cranberries. I left it overnight on the stove cover so it could cool completely, and now I'm gonna get ready to put it through my Vitamix and going. All I'm doing now is passing it through the strainer. If I want it to be more clean and not have any pulp or anything like that, then I'll pass it through a cheesecloth, but I'm gonna see how I like it this method first. See you guys. I wish you can smell it through the camera. You'd be amazed. I think I'm gonna go ahead probably use my cheesecloth because this is gonna take too long. Okay, I have finished straining half of it. It will take a little work, I'm not gonna lie, but look at the finished product. See, this is what I like. See how clean it is? It's gonna be absolutely gorgeous for to go with my Thanksgiving dinner. Sorry, I went ahead and added some, what is this called? Honey. You can add as much or as little as you like, or you can add the sweetener of your choice. I absolutely love this. I cannot wait to give it a go. And I normally have this with a mix of seltzer water when I'm gonna serve it because I like the fizziness. Anyway, let me get to pouring. You see how clean this juice is, how smooth it is. But if you like to have the bits in there, you can very well, you know, just strain it as much as you can. I mean, just put it in your blender and make it as smooth as you like and just pour it in a jar. I just prefer it this way myself. My cranberry juice is done for Thanksgiving. I did have some left over. As you can see here, please don't mind the mess. I have a lot going on in preparation for the Thanksgiving dinner. But I wanted to show you, so I went ahead and put the pulp back in here. And what's left in here, I'm gonna go ahead and run it through my blender with the ginger and everything. And then I'm going to make like a jelly out of it. So this way nothing goes to waste. Hey guys, so I wanted to show you the finished product of my cranberry juice. So I have just added some cranberry juice here, and now I'm gonna add my seltzer water to it. It gives it that sparkling flavor, and it is so incredibly delicious. And that's how I like to drink it. You just serve it like this. Ta-ta. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.